In this video, I will show you all how to make custom shorts with HTV vinyl. Let's get into it. The first piece of equipment you're gonna need to have is a vinyl cutter, guys. This is mine. I have a Cameo Pro. The second thing would be a computer, guys. And the third thing would be a heat press. I got this heat press off of Amazon for $200. It is pretty good, guys. I would highly recommend it. The last thing you're gonna need to have is the vinyl, guys. I use thermoflex Plus. It's been very good to me. You will also need a weeding tool and something to measure. Before even cutting any vinyl, guys, you want to make sure to take measurements of the clothing article that you're doing. In this case, we're doing the shorts. So right here, I'm measuring out what specifications I need for the vinyl, guys. Before sending the vinyl to the machine, guys, you want to make sure to always mirror the image. When inserting the vinyl, guys, you want to make sure to always align it with the guidelines, guys. These are the cut settings that I use for my Cameo, guys. Hopefully y'all can find this helpful a little bit. If you've never seen how a vinyl cutter works, it just cuts out the design, guys. That's basically all the vinyl cutter does. There's many affordable options in the market right now. After the vinyl cutter is done, you're supposed to weed out the design, guys. This is just removing the excess vinyl. This is how it looks after I removed all the excess vinyl. It does take a while, guys, but it's easy. Here we're starting to get an idea how our shorts are going to come out. We're just missing the yellow, guys, and right now we're cutting it out, and then we're going to get to pressing. One of my favorite things about the Cameo, guys, is its built-in cutter. As you can see right here, I'm cutting the vinyl, and then it gives me the piece of vinyl, and that's it. I highly recommend Cameo, guys. Okay, now that we have all the vinyl cut out, guys, now we have a good idea how our shorts are going to come out. Now it's time to go press them. When laying the vinyl, guys, ideally you want to have a flat surface for you to be able to place the vinyl correctly in its correct position. And also when putting the vinyl on the article of clothing, you want to make sure to get rid of as many creases and wrinkles in the shorts to get a good press, guys, and for the vinyl to lay flat. Okay, guys, this is the most important step of the whole process, guys, which is pressing the garment. I would highly recommend reading the instructions that come with your HTV vinyl. For mine, it's press it at 320 and have high pressure. This is the most important part, because if you do not follow the instructions of your vinyl, your garment will be ruined, or the vinyl will not last as long, or it will just peel off once you're trying to peel it off, guys. So this is the most important part. I would highly recommend getting the right pressure, because this is key for the garment to last long and for everything to come out well. So make sure to apply the right amount of pressure needed for the vinyl and the right heat. This is key, guys. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that you want to make sure that your vinyl is a cold peel or hot peel. What that means is if it's a cold peel, you're going to want to wait for the garment to cool down, and if it's a hot peel, you can peel it right away. Of course, when it's hot peel, guys, you can wait a little bit as well, because sometimes it is very hot and you can burn yourself, but you want to at least peel it when it's warm. Another thing is, if you want to find out what are the instructions for your vinyl, you can also go to Heat Transfer Warehouse, and they have most of the popular heat transfer vinyls there, and you can look up the instructions there. I would highly recommend a pad like this on screen, guys. It helps a lot with pressure as well. The vinyl comes off perfectly, nothing is lifting off or anything. This is preferably what you want, guys. Now that y'all have seen the complete process of how to make custom shorts, I'll show y'all the final product and how they look when they're being worn. This is my first pair ever, guys. I do believe that they came out pretty good in my opinion. Drop a comment down below what y'all think and what type of videos y'all want to watch. As you can tell, like, they look pretty good, guys. I believe they look pretty professional in my opinion. Y'all can comment down below what y'all think, but that's the end of the video, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed, and y'all can like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and stay tuned. If y'all made it to the end of the video, guys, please subscribe and like the video, guys. I'm trying to post weekly content now, so stay tuned.